guys, and welcome back to some more Teen Perfect. And today is Sunday, and tonight, like in the middle of the night, there's going to be a hurricane passing through. So we're all prepared. So we have some kayaks and stuff in the trailer. I don't know why we packed this, but got it just in case. Got some chairs, more chairs. I said frog. Ew. Okay. Frog right here. We attached this, my trampoline, to my tree house so it doesn't blow away. So got a bunch of stuff, and that's upside down so it doesn't, like the cover doesn't blow. We had to put all of this inside of our little storage room because we don't want it to blow away as well, because we might need it for another time, like for a party or something. So that's all that is in there that we don't want to blow away. Got a click beetle in there. I hope he's going to be okay. We got a generator, an ice chest, and a bunch of gas cans back there for the generator. And the giant generator, it's not big, it's like about as big as the box. It's not really windy yet, and I know that the storm's getting closer, so let's see what happens. And while we're waiting for the wind to get a little bit stronger, let's play some football while we wait. So I feel like the hurricane's coming. It's gonna like curve to go this way. I saw that on the weather news on our TV. We're gonna have to charge the GoPro because it's halfway, so let's do some inside stuff. Oh my gosh. And it's like close. This is just like the starting of it hitting us. We're about to eat some dinner, so this is going to be a lot of rain. Wait. Let me go get this. Look how much. Where is it? Oh my gosh! It got in my eyeball. Got in my eye. I'm facing darkness back there because the lights just went out, and my dad's phone. This is the tornado right here.
Hurricane.
I mean the hurricane, and this is the path, and our house is right here, so it's gonna go like this all the way to over there. Like, that's the path that it's gonna go in. So we're gonna go outside, and the wind's pretty strong, so we're gonna go outside and look at the wind. Oh. It is really windy. Oh my God. This is about the strongest wind that I've ever felt in my life.
Look at mommy.
Got some lights out, and it's about to be nighttime, so we're gonna go outside and show you what it looks like out there. Let's go. I don't know if you can see, but sky looks blue. Sky's blue. Trees black.
Showing the trees over here.
And look at those trees. What is that one? Alright. So we're about to go. We're about to go make our little fortress in the bathroom, so we're gonna start right now. Voila. In the bathroom. This is what I found on the weather reporter. Getting close. Look, see that? That's what's gonna happen. So we're gonna wake up in the morning tomorrow and see if the hurricane did any damage. Good morning, and it's the next day, and we're gonna go look how the damage is, if we have any. So let's go.
Here.
A bunch of leaves though. Guys, look at all those leaves that fell. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of leaves. There's no damage in the front yard, so let's go check out the backyard. So the hurricane pushed this down. Yep. This is old wood. This is really old wood. There's some trees that fell over here. Got some old wood that fell. We have a few banana spiders that are actually over in our backyard. Oh my god. Can I get closer? Look at that spider right there. We're at our neighbor's house and we're gonna go look at a tree and the fence. Let's go. Look at that, man. Oh, no. The whole entire fence is right there. And look at that tree. The tree literally fell on the roof and it did a bunch of damage on there. Is it close? Let's go back to our house. Ah! We just got got tree damage. Just got a little bit of damage. Nobody's hurt. See you in the next hurricane. See you later. Bye.